ladies, it's Chad here, and I'm coming to you with a tutorial on how I lay my lace front. So here we go. I put my braids up, and here is the choice of wig. Do you not love that color or what? I'm going to put it on my head just to fit it, and it has two combs on the side, so I'm going to put those combs in and try to kind of line it up where I want my hairline, and look how natural it already looks. Here's my got to be glue. This is what I'm going to glue the lace down with. Here's my blow dryer where I'm going to blow dry a fine tooth comb and some scissors, and this is how the lace looks. Alright, now that I know where I want to line it up, I'm going to put the wig back on my head, line it back up, and put the combs in. I'm going to tie the hair back to get it out of the way so I can focus on the lace front. Here I am cutting it to my liking. You don't want to cut all the lace off. You want to leave a little bit, maybe a ½ an inch or something like that, to where you can actually glue it down properly. So you're just going to trace and cut around the perimeter of your head. And if the tabs are too long for you, you can definitely cut to modify those to your edges. Once I've got the front cut, I'm going to go double check before it's time for me to glue. Everything is perfect for me, so I'm going to slide that wig back. I'm going to take the got to be glue, and I'm going to go around the perimeter of my forehead. You can use as little or as much as you feel that you need to use in order to secure the wig down properly. And don't mind any excess. You can definitely go back and wipe that off. So because I don't have time to really tie it down, that's an option. You can tie it down with a scarf. Here I'm just going to blow dry it, let it get tacky a little bit, then I'm going to gently pull the lace down. Make sure it's at the correct spot where it's not showing any of my baby hairs, and I'm going to gently hold and tap. Now some people have a problem with using their fingers because of the oil. I use both. I start to use my finger, and then once I see that it's getting tacky and that it's sticking to my head, then I'll get my end of my comb and hold it down and press gently. And I just kind of switch back and forth between my fingers and my comb while trying to center and get it placed perfectly. And already, like, it looks really, really good. Once I've gotten that side down to where it needs to be located, I'm going to take that blow dryer and I'm going to dry it as much as I can. Look how natural that looks, guys, already without the baby hair or any type of customization. And I kind of speeded this up because it's the same exact process. You're going to go on the other side. You're going to put the got to be glued on the other side. Wait till it kind of gets tacky. Then you're going to pull the lace down, and you're going to press in, and then you're going to blow dry. Or again, you can tie a scarf down if you have a little bit more time. And this lace didn't give me any problems at all. It completely latched on to the glue and onto my skin. So I'm going to customize it a little bit with baby hair and a little bit of sideburns. I tried to make sure that I put the sideburns and the baby hair on this unit even though it looks natural as is, because the lace in the front line is pretty okay already. I just thought because of the fact that it doesn't have any black roots and my hair is black, that it'll be a little bit more realistic with adding sideburns and a little bit of baby hair. So I'm just gonna cut the desired sideburns and baby hair and let you see how it goes. And I'm using an eyebrow razor, or you can use scissors, but I use the razor just because it's a little better with the baby hairs. Our hair is not blunt, so when you use the razor, it kind of gives maybe kind of like a layered look. So the baby hair is up to your discretion. I don't really like that much, so I'm kind of going in sporadically, thinning it out and kind of laying them down. Now the edges I'm laying down with the Got To Be Glued. I also use Gorilla Snot or the Eco Styling Gel. It's your preference on how long you want it to hold and what you want to deal with as far as maintenance. And I'm going to speed this up because it is just a repeat of the other side. Alright, and I'm pretty much satisfied with the way that it's going. Don't want too much baby hair there. I'm going to finish blending it in with my Fit Me pressed powder. And that's just to kind of camouflage it a little bit more to make it look like my skin. And if you see any white flakes or anything of that sort from the glue, feel free to use a bit of water or a little bit of oil just to kind of patch that whiteness out. But I'm satisfied. I think it looks great. You tell me what you think. You also tell me what you use to customize your lace front. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and taking the time out to see how I customize my hair. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you like it. If you do, please leave a comment, share, like this video, and I will see you next time. Take care.